See, Nil Batte Sannata was a very very special film. Very very special. जब script आई थी तभी मतलब I just dived into the film. So as and when something as special as a contribution as a producer that comes my way, मैं definitely produce करना चाहूँ. Most definitely. Thank you. Oh yes, a very happy New Year to all of you. May your coming year be filled with lots and lots of love. I thrive on love, and I want your lives to be filled with abundance of it. So have a blast. Thank you.
Hello. How are you? Good.
How is life treating you? What's coming up with the professional film?
Life is treating me really well. The film that I've completed should be out soon. It's called Three Dev. It's a comedy film. Lots of fun. That should be out
What
soon.
plans for the new year?
We're traveling, as always. We're going to Australia. So we'll be there and we'll celebrate New Year's and her birthday there. And we'll be back soon. Pardon me? Yeah, it's a rock band actually. It's not a boy band. It's called Dinosaur Pile Up. But we're still working on what kind of song that we want to do. Thank you. That's it. Can I go? No, not really. I'm not venturing into production as of now. Thank you.
opportunity जो मुझे मिला है. It's a dream come true to be able to work with Shah Rukh Khan, and I hope that everybody loves the song. In 2 days release होगा, so I hope you guys love it. I met her during Diwali, and she's absolutely lovely, so beautiful, and I'm happy that she liked the song. Thank you, bye.
Thank you so much.
How proud do you feel?
I actually don't know if I deserve it, but I'm really happy. I had like a strong competition, and I feel all the nominees were amazing. They were like great actors, and I really feel happy and yeah, very excited.
So will we see Jackie Chan coming down here to promote the film?
Yes, you will see.
How do you tend to celebrate it?
I've stopped like celebrating stuff. Now I only work or I sleep. I become boring in life. Kriti and Sushant. It was really nice for me to be getting it from Sushant and Kriti because Sushant was a part. He was the Dhoni in my film, and you know, he was really nice. And Kriti had won best debut 2 years back, so it was really nice to be getting awards from them.
Disha, are you doing Spirit of the Year Part 2? I mean, they were reported you've been signed for the...
What's up? How are you? No, nobody approached me. I don't know how you get all these news. I wish, yeah. No. Hi, you want me to take certain... Just say Happy New Year? That's Christmas? Hi, this is Disha Partni. Hi, this is Disha Partni, and wish all the viewers a very Happy New Year. Thank you.
Hi. Very happy, and now I'm performing Every Night and Day, which we launched together with Undia. And Aapse Mausiki has crossed 25 million hits on the first 4 videos. So I'm very, very happy, very excited, and really looking forward to perform at this award. And Jumme Ki Raat, Hookah Bar, and Every Night and Day, Aapse Mausiki. आपसे आशिकी आपसे मौसिकी every night and day just me and you तेरा प्यार 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 हुक्का बार. Thank you.
Salman's birthday is coming up.
Salman bhai, you my mentor, you my brother, you everything to me. You have done so much for me. A very, very happy birthday to you. And बस और क्या कह सकते हैं, दिल से दुआ है आपके लिए. You're the best.
Hi, thank you so much. I'm wearing Papa Don't Preach, and I'm wearing silver gown for the first time, so yeah, I love it.
Excited to be at the award ceremony. What are you looking forward to?
A lot of fun actually. I mean, award functions are actually one place where you meet almost the entire industry all together, and lots of great performances, some really deserving awards, and a fun night.
When do we see you start promoting Ratna?
Start promoting? When it is releasing a little before that, obviously, but yeah, I mean, it's now releasing in June, so I guess a month before that, I'm assuming.
We always keep hearing linked-up reports about you and Sushant.
I also keep hearing always what to do.
Sushant
But you're not bored about it, how?
Sushant is single and eligible, you're also single and eligible.
So then if anybody's single and eligible, they should be together.
But no, I mean,
And see, you're going to ask me the same questions when I'm promoting also. Very good, yeah. I've finished almost most of the talkies of the film. We're left with about 3 songs, and this was my fastest film, I think. एक schedule में 45 days में almost पूरी film खत्म करना. But it was so much fun, such great people, awesome actors, and it's a script which is very well written and something which is very different for me to do. So I totally enjoyed it.
Christmas and New Year plans and
No plans. I'm in Mumbai only for now, and mostly my plans are more last minute because I never plan well. So, well, I would just wish all the viewers a very very happy New Year, and may your New Year be whatever you dream it to be, and wish you lots of happiness, lots of love, and lots of success.
thank you, Kriti. Wish you all the
Thank you.
best.
Thank you so much.
Sonam, bites. Sonam, you're looking very beautiful. What are you wearing tonight?
It's Yanina Couture.
Okay. Excited about Stardust Awards. We are really hoping it's you for New Year.
Bhagwan Jane.
Also, many congratulations for the award that you won in the Middle East. So far, Nirja that you won recently, how exciting and how privileged do you feel when you win this?
I don't think it's my award. I don't know what to say. I'm very thankful that people are recognizing my performance, but I don't know how to accept it or think about it.
New Year plans?
Yeah, it's my dad's birthday. तो हम उनका birthday जो है वो Christmas पे गिरता है. So we actually always do a family thing.
You also love Anil Kapoor's new sex. He's looking at least 20 years.
Yeah, he is. I think so. मैं उनको कहती रहती हूँ कि उन्हें one day or the other he has to start behaving like my father. Yay! He's looking handsome also. He deserves it. He deserves it, and more for him in the future. Thank you.
Before you leave, can you wish your viewers for the New Year?
Yes, a very very Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and a Happy New Year. Thank you.
Also, we met Ranbir recently.
Ranbir's here? Okay.
What's up?
You look so good.
Thank you.
Karno khatam kar rahe ho? You gonna come back?
And wait around. I'll be like backstage.
Winning your first Stardust Award, how happy is the feeling? And
I'm very happy for him.
It's great because it's really awesome. First of all, when people watch your work, and then to appreciate it is amazing because you put so much into it. So for people to recognize that, that's great, and this is amazing, and I'll be grateful forever to Stardust. That's awesome.
do you guys discuss work and
Of course, it's such a big part of our lives. So how can we not? So definitely we do that. We do that a lot. See you.
really exciting to be here. This is the season of awards, and every award has its charm. So this is actually going to be my first Stardust Award. So I'm quite excited about it.
Ma'am, also, your iconic song Amma Amma has been remade for OK Janu. I'm sure you must be aware of it.
Yeah, I'm very keen to see what they've done with the song. I hope it's as good as the original.
Do you think iconic songs should be remade, should be done?
If it's done well, why not? But if it's not done well, then I do object. Thanks. Yeah, but not now. Maybe after 15-20 years. Yeah. Yeah, part 1 can be written now. Hopefully, yes. Yes. Wishing all the viewers a very, very happy 2017. Love you guys.
Yes? Isn't this red carpet? I'm already here now. खबर क्या मिली, मैं शूटिंग करके आ गई हूँ.
Anushka, very good evening. We are eagerly awaiting for you to pick up the Best Actress trophy for
And what if I don't get it? I'll come and catch you and beat you.
But no, are you looking forward to the award ceremony and how excited are you? What are you looking forward to?
I am looking forward to it. I'm feeling a little unwell, so energy is a little low. But yeah, I'm looking forward to the evening. काफी धमाकेदार it's sounding.
2016 has been a great year for you. What would you like to say? How do you see
It's been a fantastic year for me, alright. I've had 2 very big films this year, and both have done well at the box office, and also my work has been appreciated. So I'm feeling very grateful. कुछ सोचो नहीं डिसाइड हुआ, कुछ सोचो, बोलो मुझे.
Hey, I'm just saying bye. I won't get to see you again.
Hi man, how are you?
How different was the experience to be directed by Imtiaz Ali and having Shah Rukh Khan as your superstar opposite you?
It's a divine experience because they're both so incredible, at what they do, and of course I share a very good rapport with Shah Rukh, so I feel very at ease when I'm with him. And Imtiaz is a dream director for any actor, so I really enjoyed myself. Next year. No plans. Okay, thank you so much.
New Year wish, Anushka. Anushka, New Year wish they did, please.
Hi, here's wishing everybody a very happy New Year.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. मैं मुबारका फिल्म जो है मैं कर रहा था, तो उसके लिए मैं ये लुक ट्राई कर रहा था. मैंने एक आध लुक, मगर अनीस बाज़मी साहब ने ये लुक को रिजेक्ट कर दिया. कि उन्होंने बोला नहीं आपको सरदार ही बनना पड़ेगा, तो उस फिल्म में मैं पगड़ी पहनूंगा, तो पगड़ी के अंदर ये होगा शायद, बट अभी उगा रहा हूँ मैं बाल। Yeah, I just met him. Absolutely, it's a very, very proud moment for me. Absolutely, yeah. Couldn't have, it couldn't be better because this is second award. He's so I hope this streak continues.
Sir, मुबारक है आपके बारे में कुछ बताइए. How's the shooting been going on?
शूटिंग अभी मैं 14 जैन से शूटिंग शुरू कर रहा हूँ, या मगर अर्जुन साहब की शूटिंग शुरू हो गई, अर्जुन ने काम शुरू कर दिया।
पाकिस्तान गवर्नमेंट ने जो बैन लगा रखा था हिंदी फिल्म के रिलीज पे वो हटा दिया है, उसके बारे में
तो बड़ी खुशी की बात है, बड़ी खुशी की बात है।
It's your birthday on 24th. Any plans and any special thing you have planned for this time?
The birthday is like, I for me every day is a birthday, and I just roll. For me every day is a birthday, so nothing very special. Sorry? Thank you so much. Done? Sorry? Well, I want to wish all of you all a very, very happy New Year, and may 2017 be the best year for all of us and for our country, India. Jai Maharashtra, Jai India, Jai Hind.
Very excited. यहाँ के कोई बोलेगा कि आई एम नॉट एक्साइटेड एंड हाँ क्या पूछिए. Shall I move? Yes. I was nominated. I'll do this and. Meena, okay? All well? All well. कोई प्रॉब्लम तो
नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं है.
जी मैम, आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड मैम. पहली बार टीवी पे आऊँगा. फिल्में की हैं लेकिन टीवी का एक्सपोजर और भी बड़ा होता है. सो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड अबाउट. जी मैम, जी बिल्कुल. 2017 मेरी लाइफ में एक नई चीज़ लेके आ रहा है, राइजिंग स्टार. सो बहुत सारे इंडिया के जो कंटेस्टेंट हैं वो तो राइजिंग स्टार बनेंगे, खुद मैं भी बनूंगा. जी हाँ, मैं पता है मुझे सबके बारे में, लेकिन आई एम एक्साइटेड अबाउट राइजिंग स्टार. थैंक यू सो मच. अवार्ड इधर जीशान ट्रॉफी. हाँ, सॉरी. थैंक यू सो मच. सुपरस्टार ऑफ टुमारो. सॉरी. बहुत हम्बलिंग है क्योंकि जब स्टारडस्ट जो बहुत सालों से है ये अवार्ड आपको सम्मानित करता है तो बहुत महत्व रखता है. एंड इसका यही मतलब है कि एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है अगले साल के लिए, जहाँ बद्रीनाथ की दुल्हनिया और जुड़वा 2 रिलीज़ होगी, तो उसके लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि मैं अच्छा सिनेमा करूँ, अच्छी फिल्म करूँ. एंड बस मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा कि मैं चाहता हूँ कि हर फिल्म जो मेरी रिलीज़ हो उसमें एक मैसेज हो, और वही कोशिश है बद्रीनाथ के साथ. मैं एक्चुअली इंडिया में नहीं हूँ, मैं इंडिया के बाहर हूँ कुछ काम के लिए. बट आई वांट टू विश एवरीवन अ वेरी वेरी मेरी क्रिसमस एंड अ हैप्पी न्यू ईयर एंड थैंक यू गाइस. हैव अ ग्रेट डे. आवाज़ नहीं है, कुछ आवाज़ नहीं है. विश यू गाइस अ वेरी वेरी मेरी क्रिसमस एंड अ वेरी हैप्पी न्यू ईयर. थैंक यू गाइस. थैंक यू.
16 अगर मैं गिनूँ तो ऐसे ही गिनूँगा जो फिल्में आई थी. So I thought I had मेरी सबसे अच्छी थी अपनी फिल्म, फैन थी उसमें. Then I think ए दिल में थोड़ा सा काम था और डियर जिंदगी. And now I'm on to Raees. So it's been a good year. Little hectic. Otherwise, really nice year as an actor. Yeah, just एक घुटने में चोट लगी थी लेकिन अभी ठीक है. शो खत्म हो गया, मैं आया हूँ यार. अभी थोड़ा होस्ट करूँगा मैं. नहीं, मुझे कुछ परफॉर्म करना है लेकिन शो के बाद करूँगा. नहीं, अभी नाम नहीं है. तुम्हारे दिमाग में कुछ आए तो बता देना. लव स्टोरी है. मैंने कोई अभी डिसाइड नहीं हुआ. Very exciting year, but you know, normally एक महीना पहले when the film is releasing, we are normally into post production, so that's very hectic. You know, you're dubbing, you're doing background, you're doing sound, so I've been working round the clock to finish that off. So the excitement doesn't reach us. We just do the promotion and marketing and then go back to the studio.
Shahrukh, a lot has been said about the clash as well. Obviously also coming and saying, you know, it's unethical to clash. What's your reaction on the same?
I think I'm nominated for Fan and मेरे लिए वो बहुत ही खूबसूरत फिल्म है. मेरी सबसे चहेती फिल्मों में से है. So I'm happy I was nominated. I have not met anyone just like that. I'll be just working on Raees. There's no plan. अभी कोई भी नहीं है. अभी कुछ डिस्कस नहीं किया. थैंक यू. Thank you everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.
किसको? शाहरुख को बोला ना.
Happy New Year to everyone.
He's coming here.
धन्यवाद। इससे पहले कि आप कुछ पूछें मैं बोल ही देता हूँ आपको क्या पूछने वाले हैं। स्टारडस्ट, सनसुई, कलर्स, इन सबको मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ इस पुरस्कार के लिए। ये फिल्म हमारे लिए और हम सब के लिए, समाज के लिए, देश के लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण थी। उसका विषय जो था वो बहुत ही अहम था। आज के समाज में मैंने हमेशा ऐसा माना है कि बेटियाँ जो हैं वो, उनका एक स्थान जो है, उनको इज़्ज़त और सम्मान मिलनी चाहिए। और इस फिल्म के द्वारा हमने जो कुछ भी कहा वो मैं ऐसा मानता हूँ कि कहीं ना कहीं बहुत से लोगों के मन में घर किया उन्होंने। सबसे प्रथम बात जो ये थी कि जो इसका संवाद था, नो मीन्स नो, ये संवाद जो था इसने देश को एक तरह से एक चुनौती दी, एक नया वाक्य दिया। और इस बात की मुझे बड़ी खुशी है कि लोगों ने इसकी प्रशंसा की, ख़ास तौर से हमारे देश की महिलाओं को। मेरा हमेशा मानना रहा है कि देश की महिलाओं जो हैं वो 50% शक्ति है हमारे देश की। They must be given the dignity and the respect that they deserve, and I'm very happy to be associated with a cause through a film that propagates this dialogue. Thank you. हाँ जी, नया साल तो हर रोज़ होता है जी, बधाई। हाँ जी,
अमित जी, क्रिसमस में क्या प्लान होगा आपका?
क्रिसमस कौन है? आप पूछ रहे हैं? हो गया।
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. Love you all. Bye. Best actress.
Thank you very much, but you know, I'll prefer in English.
This is your first performance at an award ceremony.
It is.
How was it and how exciting was it?
It was amazing, you know. It was a great energy on the stage, and the dancers helped me so much, so I really enjoyed it.
Right. Your music album is also being highly appreciated, so anything on that front you would like to share?
Himesh's album, yes,
Right, yeah.
and our song seems to be very well received by the audience, so I'm very happy about that.
Now that you have performed here and you have done a lot of stuff, what is keeping you away from Bollywood?
I don't know, music is my passion, so I'm following this passion.
Alright. Salman's birthday is also coming up. Any special plans on that front? What will you like to gift him this time around?
I don't know, all my respect and my love.
Okay, alright. Salman was also here as a senior performance. He was here yesterday for the technical awards as well. So, any tips or inputs that he shared with you as far as performance goes, because he's a pro out there?
I've said it before, you know, when you enjoy what you do, when you just be yourself and you enjoy yourself, then...
But no, any special tips from Salman that you perhaps received?
This is the tip that I think we should all follow, right?
Right. What are your plans for the new year?
For the new year, I don't know. just to do more that I love.
But will
These
you
are my plans for the next year, actually.
Okay, but will you be in India?
Yes, I'll be here.
And any plans for December 27th?
Yeah, probably I'll celebrate.
One will, right?
We'll see. We'll see. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Excuse me? Okay, everyone, wish you a lovely, happiest New Year, full of love, and wish you to have all the near ones, the loved ones near you. That's it. Okay. तेरी मेरी मेरी तेरी प्रेम कहानी है मुश्किल दो लफ्जों में बयां ना हो पाए. Thank you. Thank you, you too. Happy New Year. Bye.
Done. Come.
Salman,